Hi guys, here's how you can share a folder across various devices using Python. Now to get started, we must install Python. If you do not have Python, then go to python.org website, go to downloads and download Python. So let's download it for Windows, and here let's get the latest stable releases. So I will download the 64-bit. So the download has been completed. Show in folder. Now let me quickly install this. Install now. So Python has been installed. Let me close this. Now before doing anything, let's test if the Python is working or not. Go to Start menu, type cmd, open the command prompt, and then type py:\version. You may also try Python or Python 3. You will then see the Python version that you installed. Now after that, we also need to find the IP address of this PC. So let's type ipconfig and enter. So here the IPv4 address is 192.168.1.13. This is very important. Now after this, let me clear this up. Now this is the folder we want to share. So open this folder. Now you can directly type cmd over here or right click and copy address. And here type cd space Ctrl+V and enter. So we are inside this folder and we are trying to share this folder. Now type py-m http://server1000 and enter. So if you see this, that means it is working all fine. So here are a couple of doc, images and text files. To check if it's working or not, open your browser and go to localhost 1000 and enter. So here is the directory listing. So document, images, text files, everything from this folder is being shared. Now if you want to give access to this folder to mobile or even another PC, first make sure both of them are connected in the same Wi-Fi network and go to the IPv4 address 192.168.13.1000. So this is the IPv4 address we figured out earlier. And here we can access these files. Now let me quickly switch to my mobile phone and see if this is working or not. So I am on my iPhone. Let me open Safari and go to the address 192.168.1.13.1000. So you can see here are all the files. You can save it as well. Just long press it and you can download the file and as well share it. So this is working all fine. And this works on another computer in the same network too. Let me switch to another computer. So I am on my Windows 10 PC. Let me open the browser and simply type 192.168.1.13.1000. Now I have wirelessly access to that folder, as you can see. So it is working all fine. So this is how you can share a folder wirelessly with other devices using Python. Thank you very much.